Hey, we're here at Pog Mahone's. We're on the patio. Lovely day here. We've been open here about 5 years. Amazing Irish food. Great place to come visit. I love to come here at least once or twice a week. The food is amazing. And it's just a great social place to come and be safe and be outside and meet new people and have good food and good drinks as well. So, I mean, come on down, check us out. It's where you need to be. I'm Jeremy with Blarney's. Our hours are 11 to 9, Monday through Saturday. Patio's open all the time when the bar's open. It's amazing.